He's on his way to come over to apply the headlight films for my wife's Acura TL and also our new 2014 Honda Odyssey. Just to kind of give you an idea what they look like. He will be sanding the headlights just because kind of you can see a little bit of the haze from the headlight itself, from the oxidation and all that jazz for over the years. He will clean those up. But as you can see, the Odyssey is nice and pretty pristine condition, so he will not be doing any of those. Just apply the film and it's good to go. And then that's what they look like. Excuse the mess. I haven't cleaned the garage. I was working on my J-Swap 2, just doing a couple of things. Got the bumper off. Got a little surprise for everybody come next year. But yeah, just waiting on him to arrive and we'll get it started.
Yeah, I didn't even know when I first bought the car it had remote start. They handed the key fob to me and I was like, what the fuck is this? And it was like, they handed it to me like a week later and like, hey, the owner came back and said they found their other key fob stuff and it's got remote start on it. I was like, oh, fuck yeah.
Maybe that's something you don't have to put on.
And I was like, that's nice. Because I went in there and I saw this, like this little antenna thing in there. I was like, what the fuck is that? And I was like, that's not Bluetooth.
So what brand was it? Viper, I take it?
Prestige.
Okay, not bad.
Yeah, it was alright. But yeah, I was like, what the fuck is that?
Next day of the headlight films. They came out pretty good. There's no bubbles, there's no cracks, there's nothing coming off. As you can see, it's precision cut films. As you can even see where the little curves are. So it's specific for this vehicle. Look at the other side, no bubbles. I did get my Acura TL done too. You can see they look brand new. They were pretty oxidized and pretty bad looking. So same exact thing, the film was cut specific for this vehicle. Overall, he did a pretty good job and they came out pretty good.